Rick is a player and committee member of the Seniors Social Football Club, which play on a Friday night in Llandelo. Through his knowledge and commitment, he has been able to secure several grants to improve the volunteer-led Tregeeb sports facilities, which benefits the community by hosting a variety of sports club sessions. If it wasn't for Rick's hard work on behalf of the clubs that use the facilities to ensure its viability, the future of this wonderful asset would have been in doubt. Rick is a modest guy, and without his drive, enthusiasm and capability, the project would never have started, let alone been successful.
Pob yw merched mynydd mawr sy'n darparu cyfleoedd rygbi ferched dan 7 oed i dan 18 oed o glybu'r rygbi'r tymbl a Pen-y-Groes. Penodwyd Charlene Jenkins yn arweinydd yr hwb i orchwilio'r holl weithgareddau oddi ar y cae. Yn ystod y cyfnod hwn, mae wedi datblygu perthynas gadarnhaol gyda arweinwyr eraill y hwb, busnesau lleol ac yn bwysicach oll, y chwaraewyr, rieni ac ysgolion. Mae rôl Charlene yn cynnwys unrhyw beth o weithredu polisïau, trefnu gemau a hyd yn oed gwneud cwn poeth. Trwy waith caled Charlene, mae poblogrwydd yr hwb wedi cynyddu gyda chwaraewyr newydd yn dod pob wythnos.
Laura is a valued committee member of Trimsaran Juniors RFC and all-round doer of everything. Laura volunteers around 15 hours every week to ensure training and matches can be played, and there are plenty of opportunities for all the children. To Laura, it's not just about playing rugby, it's about ensuring the children have extra experiences, such as going on trips, attending events, making friends, and much more. A great deal of Laura's work goes unnoticed, but without her efforts, the junior section, along with the substantial benefits to the children and wider community, would not exist.